evaluating trig functions with a calculator. These should be easy points on any quiz or test. Here's a calculator right here. First we need cosine of 41 degrees. So something we want to notice is that this is, oh, there went my calculator. It's degrees, so you want to check to make sure that your calculator is in degree mode. So hopefully at this point you figured that out. But if not, look for anything that says mode on this calculator. There's the mode button, and oh, it is in radians. So if I scroll down, now we see the radian is flashing. I want to go over to degree and hit enter to select degree. So I want to work in degrees if I'm given a degree measurement. So cosine of 41 degrees, this is just as simple as hitting cosine 41 degrees. I'll close my parenthesis, and we get 0.75. We'll round that to 5. So this is 0.755. So this next one, secant of 33 degrees, again, a degree measurement, so I already know the calculator's in degrees. But then we have to figure out what this secant is all about. So if I look at my calculator, I don't have an SEC button. So what we want to remember about secant is that it actually is the reciprocal of our cosine function. So if we write this in terms of cosine, this is the same thing as 1 divided by cosine of 33. And we have a cosine button, so we can punch this in. So this is what gets typed into our calculator. 1 divided by cosine of 33 degrees. And we get 1.192. All right, last one. So here we have sine of 3 pi over 5. Anytime you see this pi, that's a pretty good clue that this is a radian measure. So when I go to my calculator, I don't want to be in degree mode. I have to get back to radian mode, otherwise I lose all the points on this problem. So now I'm in radian mode, and we want to do sine, okay, we have a sine button, of 3 pi over 5. So my calculator automatically gives me the parenthesis up there. If your calculator does not do that, using parentheses is really helpful on this. So if I do 3 pi divided by 5, and then I close my parenthesis, this will give us the radian measure, which is 0.951. So these problems are pretty straightforward. Just really make sure that your calculator is in the right mode, and also that you know how these reciprocal functions work. Know which ones they match up with so that you can do the 1 divided by with the buttons we have on the calculator.